jingle bells, jingle all the way. I'm not a singer. These DeckTok lights so far that I've been doing are friggin' bright. But yes, Christmas time is coming up. We're here in the very first week of November, so I'm ready to get my house all decked out, all Christmas up. I like to start early on mine. Everyone always asks me about Thanksgiving. You know what? That turkey's going to be in the oven. 100%, I still do Thanksgiving. Each one of these kits comes with 2 lights, so we get 2 stakes. Of course, you get a good old user manual. So then you get the 2 lights. So when they come in a box, they're not put together at all, so you just got to screw them on. It's really easy. What you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and screw the bar onto it. Okay, there we go. That's them with the mushroom tops on. On one of the lights is the actual plug and the control box. So you turn it on here, you pair it together, you do everything you need to do. It also has a microphone in here so you can play music. So for instance, for me, I have all my plugs going into the garage into one outlet. That way, when I play music, I can play music right by it. So if I'm playing Jingle Bells, it's actually gonna go off to the Jingle Bells and try to go to the rhythm of whatever I'm playing with, which is a really, really cool feature. So when you do plug them in, they do blink a red. That means they're in pairing mode. Okay, so now that I have the app opened up, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that plus icon, hit add device, and it automatically found it. This 100% just automatically found it. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, it's gonna ask you to connect to your internet. So go ahead and connect it to your internet. Okay, as you see, it just turned green over here. And if you also notice, it did connect straight to Alexa as well. So it's saying, hey, go ahead and pair me to Alexa as well. Okay, so now it's still at green right now. So we can go ahead and we can change this thing. We can turn the brightness down. We can go to white. We can make this thing cool white. We can make it warm white. We can do whatever we want with it now. I mean, it's really, really a nice, easy app. Let's go ahead and go to festive and go, it's Christmas time coming up. So now it's going to go through some Christmas colors right here, some blue, some red, some yellow. It's just going to go through a little bit. Okay, so the next icon is a little music note. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, so now that we're on the music note, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to click on mobile. And once I do, the light is going to turn on. So there was nothing there because I wasn't talking yet. See, so now it's picking up some light as I talk. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I'm not a singer, but if you see it, it's going to my whenever I'm singing that or going through it. So it will go to the bass or the rhythm of your music that you have it near the little control box. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think these mushroom lights look like. Me, these DeckTok is just blowing my mind right now. They have so many products right now, and being a newer company, I can just really see, I can't wait to see what they actually have to offer later on down the road. Hopefully some curtain lights, hopefully some light bulbs, and get a complete ecosystem of nothing but DeckTok. So far, what I really, really like about DeckTok is the ecosystem environment. Everything is controlled by one app. You can do everything within that app, which is really, really nice. So seriously, these things here are friggin' awesome. 100%, they're awesome. If you haven't checked out my other products from DeckTok, go ahead and check out the videos. I have quite a few products. I got a couple more coming up, so don't forget to like and subscribe on that. Go ahead and check out right here. See if this is just like these DeckToks and are worth it.